Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Transformers Studio Series, number 60, Voyager Class Scrapper from Transformers Revenge of the Fallen. First, taking a look at the packaging, you see there's a nice image of scrap metal right here with blue eyes, even though the figure has red eyes. It says number 60 right there, Constructicon Scrapper. See Transformers Revenge of the Fallen right there. On the side, you have a nice image of Devastator. On the other side, you have a nice image of Scrapper close up on his face. On the back, you have some product shots of him in his robot mode and vehicle mode. He transforms in 36 steps. That is it for the packaging. First, taking a look at accessories, which he doesn't come with. Now, taking a look at the figure. You see, coming in for the details. Have a nice sculpt on his face. See here? Has a nice face sculpt. Turn that freaking brightness down. There you go. He has a nice face. His face is literally flat. It kind of reminds me from right here. His neck and his head just reminds me of a dragonfly. That's just what it reminds me of. Has some nice details on the chest with the yellow right here and also some black. On the side right here, you got some silver painting right there. I like how the smoke decks on the top right there is pretty nice. For the arms, got some nice detail right here with some gunmetal gray. Also on the hand right there and right here. The arm basically the same, but he has a claw right here. Has a nice claw. Also got some ladders right there. I wish this was painted black just to make it just fit more, basically. Got some nice detailing on the legs. On right here. Got ladder again. His feet are just the shovels for the vehicle mode, but it's fine. On the back, you do got some kibble. This is basically only kibble and also the combined port. Basically the only thing. Overall, it's pretty nice. Oh, also you got some gunmetal gray here for the face and also gunmetal gray here for part of the neck. Overall, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. That's it for the details. Now for some size comparisons. Here he is with other Constructicons. Here's Scrap Metal. And just put Mixmaster in the back right here. Here's all my Constructicons figures. I'm probably going to get more of them. Here's next to Mixmaster, the other Voyager class figure. He's a little freaking crooked. You know? And here he is next to Revenge of the Fallen Megatron, just so you can get another Voyager size comparison. Megatron is a very big Voyager class. That is it for the size comparisons. Now for articulation, just got a hinge right here at the head, right there. And at the neck, you can make them look up or down. You also the head can turn from left to right. It's got a ball joint too, so it can look down like that. Can't really look up that far. The arms can hinge out like that. Rotate almost 360. It kind of gets stopped by this piece right here. Got a rotation right here. Also got a hinge right here and also a hinge right here. For the claw part, you got a rotation right here. Can go up and down, and the claws are on hinges. For this arm, it's basically the same thing. That just can do the transformation. This can move up if you want it to. Also, if you untap this right here, you can kind of get a butterfly joint if you want to get them in more poses. If you want to do that, there's no waist swivel, but you can hinge that out and move that to make it look like that he has to pee. If you want to. You can hinge these back if you want. You can go up a little bit and down. Got a rotation right here. You got a slight knee bend. It's not very, very good knee bend. But that is it for the articulation. Not bad articulation, but it could be better. So to transform this guy, first what I want to do is just come over here. I'm going to pull on here and then just untab it from there. Then push the head in like that. Then tab it back in. Every time you move that up, that will move up with it. You want to then untab the arms. Then take this, move this out, and then these two things will tab into these holes right here. Just tab in right there. Then you want to just move this up like that. You want to take the legs, hinge those down like that. Then take this, just move it slightly like that. Then just rotate this, then rotate that, and then just hinge these back like this. You want to do the same thing on the arm, except the difference is you just want to hinge that like that. Then take this, slide into here for the other arm as well. Just slide it in here. Then it would tab. There's a tab somewhere over here where it would tab in. Then it will just tab in like that. Then take this, tab it in like that. Then this, and then this tab will go into here. Just, it's not really going that. Hold on. And tab that in like that. Then hinge this down. It likes to untab itself. I don't know why. Like that. Then for the legs, just untap the foot. I'm gonna close it. And then hinge that like that. I'm gonna fold that down. Then push it across like that. Then rotate this around to make it straight. And then hinge that back. And before you tab this in, just tab this in like that. And straighten that out. Then you want to tab this in like that. You want to do the same thing on the side. I'm just going to skip it though. And here we have Scrapper in his vehicle mode. First, just start off with some size comparisons. Here he is next to Scrap Metal right here. Get them all lined up, and Mixmaster, all my Constructicons. I don't know when I'm going to get the rest of them, but these are all the ones that I have for right now. That's it for the size comparisons. Now, for the details, he looks absolutely amazing. This is probably my favorite vehicle mode for the Constructicons. My favorite robot mode, my favorite Constructicon is Mixmaster, but I think I like his vehicle mode way better. And it's just, I just love this thing. And look at it. It's barely any kibble except for you got the hands right here, and also you do got the smokestacks from right there, and also the chest is right there. But that's not really bothering me. You also got the combined port, but you can hinge it on the bottom right here, but that just doesn't look right. And also you got the claw right there. He does roll extremely well. If you put him on a slight angle, he's gonna just roll off from you. You can hinge this up and down so you can carry some stuff like glasses if you want. And carry it. You got some gunmetal gray paint right here for each of the tires. Right there. You got some ladders right here. You got some blue for the cab part. You got some smokestacks right here. And you also got this hole right here. I don't know what this hole is for. You got some holes right here which you can attach a weapon there if you want. In this case, it's just Prowl's weapon. You can attach that there if you want to. Just put that back in Prowl's hands. If you want to attach something there, you can, or right here. Overall, it's pretty nice. You got the scoop right here. Pretty nice details right here. With I think that may be electric box or something. I'm not sure. I don't know how these things work. Got some gunmetal paint right here. These act as hinges for the vehicle mode. It's also on robot mode. Overall, this is a pretty nice vehicle mode. So let's get him back into robot mode so I can give him a score. So overall, this is a really good figure. In my opinion, this figure gets a 10 out of 10 because of all the details, how accurate it looks. And basically, the kibble doesn't really even bother me that much. Overall, this is a really good figure. I highly recommend this figure, and you should pick him up. Overall, that's my review for Scrapper, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.